just for severely bearded men to play ukulele.
I saw a family member last night and they said, "Oh, I didn't know we were going to see a Unabomber tonight." I don't know if your sons know that story yet.
Or better yet, Will Ferrell's portrayal of...
It's called Caveman. It's an interesting skill to be able to compliment and insult someone at the same time. And, not that a Unabomber thing, that's not a compliment. That was just, that's right, yeah, let's move on from that. But one of the best ones is, yeah, let's move on from the Unabomber. The best one was when we were talking to a fan one time, and the girl was confused on which one of us they were talking about. They said, "Well, wait a second, are you talking about the handsome one or the one that can sing well?" If you said you're here tonight, lady who said that, girl who said that, you know who you are. Don't say it again. Man.
Thank you so much. Thank you, and how dare you.
As our mom would say, well.
Speaking of our mom, I was a C-section baby.
Is there ever C-section? How many of y'all C-sections out there?
Smooth transition, right? We're talking about one thing. So was my little boy, and when he was born, that night I found myself sitting in the room, super nervous. The nurses, for some reason, assumed that the nurses were just going to be in there all night, just showing us how to be parents initially, and they just left us in that room with this little baby, and my wife was sort of in and out of consciousness, and I'm over there in the corner, and I had this idea for the song, so I'm just typing out the song on my phone in the dark of the room. And, yeah, it's good.
Once again, this is good and bad. This is like, you congratulate a man for sneaking over in the first hour's birth of his son. Right?
It was kind of like, "Hey babe, here's a preview of what's to come. You take care of the baby, I'll be over here writing songs." I gotta get my artistry out, baby. I know you just birthed a human, but... So anyway, this is the song. It's called C-sections and railway trestles.
You're welcome.
You're long and strong like a railway trestle. Dad just a muscle and mama just a vessel. Meant to call fawn over, cuddle and nestle. But dad's just a bear you can tackle down and wrestle. Son, give me time, I'm a bona fide nestle. And mama says no, maybe dad'll say yes-o. Did you do wrong? Well, go ahead, confess-o. Dad's just a muscle and mama just a vessel. You all blue and your mama like a rattle. Came out looking like a smurf in a battle. Me in the nosebleeds, mama in the saddle. Sprayed like a Subaru going into battle. Emotion going like a stampede of cattle. Real like rain and coffee in Seattle. Anesthesiologist, fiddle and faddle. You all blue and your mama like a rattle. so clear like a Rivera mural. Lucifer's teeth introduced the epidural. Dr. Jones, do you need a heaven referral? God sent you down to me and my girl. She's long and tall and healthy as hell, but the plan went to hell when the little fella fell. Boy went head first into her pelvis. 1956, shaking like Elvis. Yesterday born and already thinking, body like a Ford and a mind like a Lincoln. Mama and Papa in love and sinking into a brand new situation, drinking up coffee like a fish on second and third shift, loving every single ever love minute of this. Standing ovation for the OR specialist. Let me get close, wanna give my son one kiss on his head. Health and dental, picking up my baby boy easy and gentle. Soup for the family, sausage and lentil, beans and greens, arugula and pinto. Don't never sleep, I'm about to go mental, but nothing so far has been accidental. Can't keep my life, so it's gotta be a rental. Picking up my baby boy easy and gentle. Oh, you're long and strong like a railway trestle. Dad just a muscle and mama just a vessel. And to call on over, cuddle and nestle. But dad's just a bear you can tackle down and wrestle. You can have a pop tent or you can have a castle. Try to change people, but it's gonna be a hassle. Don't have to be an astronaut for NASA, but it's always good to get a gown and a tassel. Son, have fun with your life, it's a drama. Just one period and all kinds of commas. Now you got a onesie, but then you get pajamas. You know you got me, and you know you got your mama.